everybody, I'm Kirsty speaking from Naio Nails. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a Gucci inspired design. Just going to wipe over the nails. I'm going to do these two nails, and don't judge me for the state of Dina's nails. Dina has had a bit of chewage, a bit of pickage and chewage. But when she's got nails on, she won't do it. So next time you see her nails, it won't look like her.
You should get like something else to chew on. You know, like a child when they're trying to wean them off a dummy.
I was going to thought you weren't like chew on a child then.
No.
I was going to say that don't think that's any better. Like chewing on a child. Chew on a pinching tool. That's soon break teeth. These tips have got a short well in them, so they have a well, and the well just fits nice and snug over the natural nail. Just going to wipe off any excess glue and pinch the little corners down. Make sure that fits nice. I'm going to cut the length. These are not going to be massively long because Dina has boxing. I'm going to file a free edge of these nails. I'm doing two nails in this video just to show you a couple of different ways of doing this Gucci design. This Gucci design is everywhere at the minute. It's in fashion. I've seen tracksuits, little tops, even seen it on shoes. And they're all they're not like the actual Gucci. They're like just a complete rip-off of Gucci. But they use Gucci's stripes as inspiration. I'm just going to wipe over with some acetone just to blend those tips a little bit. And I'm going to dehydrate the nail with the dehydrator. And then I am going to use the acid-free primer to prime the nails. I'm going to do two thin coats. I'm using high-speed liquid. You don't have to use high-speed liquid for this one. You can use any liquid that you want. Depends how quick you are at working the acrylic. I've got warm beige. Place the bead a few millimetres away from the cuticle and then start to tap the back. So if you start to tap it, it'll start to blend. Make sure you're pointing the finger down. So we're going to do this in one bead. It's only a small nail. I haven't got a really big brush. This is just a size 8. Just drag off that excess. Going to do the same with this nail. I'm going to pinch this first nail. Just give that a slimmer look. Is that right? Now if we were doing a full set, what I would do is I'd start applying this one now, and then by the time I've finished applying the product to that one, I would then go from this nail to that nail with the pinching tool. I'm going to do my normal filing routine. I'm going to do the side walls first. And around the cuticle area. I'm going to shape the free edge. So we've got a short almond nail. And I'm going to refine the top surface. I'm going to do this to both nails. I'm going to wipe over with acetone just to smooth those nails out. And sting the living out of Dina's nails. So I'm going to be using this green. And black.
Called serious black.
seriously black, that is. And then this red. You're going to start with the green first. You're going to pull that down the centre. Don't worry about any straight lines at the minute, because we're going to overlap. You can slightly knitting it up with a gel brush, but don't worry about it being perfectly straight at this point. So that's one coat, and we're going to do 2 coats of that. Now we're going to do the black. So you're going to use serious black. And you're going to come down the sides. As you come down the sides, this is when you're going to do your nice neat edges. It's a lot easier to do the neat edge with the black than it is the green. The black is so pigmented, and that's what makes it so easy. Because I'm going quite tight at the cuticle, I'm going to apply some of it with the detailing brush. It just makes it a little bit easier. Pop that in the lamp. With the red, I'm going to pop some onto a bit of the backing paper from a sculpting form. You're going to need a brush for this one, because you're going to do a stripe down the middle. I'm using this red because it is really pigmented. If you use a red that's got some kind of transparency and put it over green, you're going to have quite a mucky colour.
Could you use stripe tape?
Yeah, you could use some red striping tape, but it'd be metallic. It'd be similar. Do you mean for make it straight?
Just for people who aren't as steady with their hands as you are. Like, if I tried to do it, it would look like a snake.
Pop that in the lamp. I'm going to seal this with the Urban Graffiti Topcoat. I'm using Urban Graffiti Topcoat because I'm putting it over the top of gel polish. If you use the Mega Gloss, you'll find that it will start to chip and crack because it's a hard gel topcoat that's more suitable for hard gels and acrylic. Right, pop that in the lamp. finish off with some lemon cuticle oil. And hopefully now Dina's nails will be fixed. Well, the skin around them will start to get better because she won't be able to remove the skin from her fingers. They are Gucci inspired nails, designer nails for a designer lady, darling, don't you know? Don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Instagram, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Love to you all. Bye-bye! Hi everybody, I'm Kirsty Meakin from Naio Nails. In this video, I have a motherfucker, and they are going to motherfucker.
On video.
Video.